Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a way to access your chat history on Messenger. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to go into your app store, because this is basically all about just getting your Messenger up to date. So you just want to make sure you do that. So you want to search for Messenger right here on the App Store. So I'm gonna go for Messenger right here, and then as you can see I have Messenger right here. So once you're here on Messenger and you have the update button just like mine right here, all you have to do is just simply tap on update and your Messenger should be updated after it is done downloading and installing the update. And now, as you can see, I have currently done installing the Messenger update right here. And now my Messenger is now up to date. So when I click on open, I should be seeing my chat history right here in Messenger. But if it is still not working for you, then what I recommend is that you want to go into settings and then go into Messenger, find your Messenger app right here. And then you can copy my settings right here and just try and then see if that works for you. And if not, then what I suggest is that you uninstall Messenger right here. You tap on delete app, and then once you delete it, you want to restart your phone. And then once you have restarted your phone, you want to install Messenger back again into your app store, and then you should see that it should work by now. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.